16th, and before we starting this session, uh, this is a disclaimer. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BESL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So US market has been posted a very good gain since the last 2 months, especially after November, where there was a one-sided downtrend was there. But today it has posted a very good numbers in the last 2 months. And Dow Jones has gained around 1.65%, Nasdaq is up around 2.45%, and European market is also closed on yesterday on the higher note, so 1.5%, and the France market also 0.69%. So taking cues from there, Asian market is also trading on a positive note. So it's currently Korea market is around 1%, and Gift Nifty currently trading at 23,400 level. So we might see gap up opening in our Nifty as well, around 23,400 kind of level. So coming to the news, Wall Street jumps after yesterday they released the core inflation data, as well as a strong bank where the majority of the banks as well as big four companies have posted very good earnings. So that is the reason US market has been closed on the higher note. And CPI core inflation, which came around 3.2%, which was there was estimation of 3.3%. So the inflation has been cooled down now, and which is excludes the food and energy data. So even though that is a very good number. So what Fed action likely to be expected is likely to deliver a 40 basis points of rate cut by the year end. Like in especially they have expected two rate cuts, but they have expected a 30 basis of points of rate cut. But now they'll raise at least 40 basis of rate cut in upcoming rate cut in Fed policy meeting. And coming to bank profits, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, Citigroup also have delivered very good numbers. The stock is up around 2 to 5% in yesterday's trading. And as well as other stocks like Tesla, Nvidia also have gained a lot. So that is a reason US market has been closed on the higher note. And coming to the domestic market, IRFC signs a lease agreement with the NTPC for 8 BOBR rigs worth of 250 crore. And Swiggy gets a MCA approval for its sports subsidiary. And Azad Engineering backs around contract worth of 112 million. So from GE Vernova. And Exide Industries, they have invested in its subsidiary company, Exide Energy Solution. So that is around 149 crore in its Exide Energy Solutions. And GAIL enters into a settlement agreement with the Safe Marketing and Trading Singapore. So Safe Marketing to pay around 285 million to GAIL. And Happiest Minds collaborates with the Coca-Cola Beverages Vietnam to deploy an generative AI conservational interface. So derived on the earnings note, yesterday after market HDFC Life, OFSS, C8, and a few PSU banks have reported the earnings. So HDFC Life's earnings are very good. Net profit is up around 14%. Net premium is grew around 10%. So very good number from HDFC Life. And OFSS, which is on negative note, net profit is down around 27% and revenue is down around 6%. So they have disappointed the earnings. And the C8, that also net profit is down around 46% and revenue is up around 11%. And coming to the PSU Bank, Punjab Sind Bank, where they have posted a very good number. Net profit is up around 282 crore compared to last year. It was around 14 crore, and the net NII is up around 27%. And Bank of Maharashtra, they have also reported a very good number, where 36% YOY in consolidated net profit. and NII is up around 22% in the last year on year. And today, Reliance, Infosys, Axis Bank, LTI, Mindtree, Havells, Bansali Polymers are going to report its earnings, and especially Reliance earnings, Axis earnings, and Infosys earnings likely to drag Nifty in coming in this week, especially in today's and tomorrow's session. So let's see how it holds the Nifty. Currently, it's trading at crucial support level. And derivative data, which is currently below one. So 23,300 and 24,000 is a key call OI is placed, and put OI is placed around 23,200 and 23,000 is placed around that level. So coming to the Nifty daily chart. So if you see the Nifty daily chart, this is a Nifty daily chart, and currently it's trading at lower high, lower low price structure. And recently, and especially in the last week, after that, it breaks that on last Friday, it break that key support level from upward sloping trend line from the previous swing low. So after that, there was a gap down, and we have moved the market to correction, and we are on a verge of we are yet to see a rally attempt days. So today, if the market closes above this 23,035 kind of level, then we might see today's session as a rally attempt date. And currently, index likely to open around on a gap up note around 23,400, and likely to see a hurdle around its upward sloping trend line, that is around 23,550 level. So at intraday point of time, like if the index holds that at least 23,400, 400, 350, then we might see 500 levels in today's session. But if it fails to hold in intraday 23,400, 350, then we might see coming into again consolidation range, which is trading around from last 2 3 days. So if it doesn't hold that level, then we might see consolidation phase likely to continue. And then on the downside, 23,000 is a key level to watch. If there is a closes below this 23,000, we might see fresh leg of selling pressure in likely to come in Nifty 50. But the chances are on the downside are very less on today's training session. So let's see, hope for the best. And 23,400 is a key level to watch on the upside. So thank you for joining us, and I would like to invite you all for today's evening session with the Market Smith India. So your all queries and stock related queries are answered there. So thank you everyone.